So dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet. Being to myself and sit in silence. Until I got a call, my friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark, with a feeling in our eyes.
Today I'm at Queensbay and there's a beautiful walking near the sea. And today is Sunday and lots of people come here for the evening walk. It's a beautiful place. There are green trees. Let me show you around and turn. As you can see, it's a green walkway, and even they got a cement walkway and for cyclists and all. It's a beautiful evening. Hope you all enjoy. Let's go.
Like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, oh, wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, 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 wow, oh, oh. Every morning after feels the same.
It's a great cycling place, but today I see very few cyclists, but lots of people have come here for a walk.
Every morning after feels the same. I know I only have myself to blame for drinking way too much. I guess I got caught up. Sit in the dark with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark.
Guys, this is a beautiful place to walk. I really enjoyed this place. It's a beautiful place to jog, walk, whatever. When you reach the top, the view is so beautiful, especially the sunset view. So guys, if you all are in Penang, Queensbay front, you all have to come to this place for your evening walk. I guarantee you all will enjoy this place. So I think I'm reaching the top now, and the breeze is lovely, so refreshing, and you can see the second beach from here. It's 7:15 now, and the view is amazing from the top. A must place to visit. Oh God, this is my first time. I never came here before, and I was missing out on so much. Guys, I have reached the top. It's just a round circle, but what an amazing view this is. I think this is one of the best place to come to run, jog, hike, walk. Around here for a while. I'm just enjoying this vibe. Beautiful place to come, and you will love it if you come evening, because the weather is good and it makes such a difference. What a place, amazing view. Enjoyed every second of it. Guys, it's getting late. It's going to be 7:25. I better go and grab some food. Beautiful lights lit up to the trees, and it looks so attractive and so beautiful. Guys, I hope you all enjoyed my evening walk next to Queen's waterfront. It was a beautiful walk, beautiful weather, and a must place to visit. I hope you all loved my video. Please give it a like and share, and see you all on my next video.